Many people ask the same question. How can I speak English faster? Is it possible to speak English in 3 months? The honest answer is this. You may not become perfect in 3 months, but you can speak English with confidence if you use the right approach. Today, I want to talk about how to speak English in 3 months, using daily English, simple habits, and the right mindset. Welcome to Daily English with Emma. First, let's talk about one important truth. Speaking English is not about knowing everything. It is about using what you already know. Many learners wait until they feel ready. They wait until their grammar is perfect. They wait until they know more words. But speaking improves by speaking, not by waiting. If you want to speak English in 3 months, your focus must be daily use, not perfection. Month 1 is about listening and getting comfortable. In the first month, your main goal is not to speak a lot. Your goal is to listen every day. Listening helps your brain get used to English sounds, sentence rhythm, common expressions. You don't need difficult content. Daily English is enough. Simple podcasts, short videos, clear voices. When you listen every day, your brain starts recognizing patterns without effort. This is how children learn language. And it works for adults too. Month 1 is also about simple speaking. You don't need long conversations. You only need short, real sentences. For example, I'm tired today. I'm working now. I like this. I don't understand yet. Speaking short sentences daily builds confidence. Confidence comes before fluency. Month 2 is about building habits and structure. By now, English should feel more familiar. You understand more than before, even if you don't notice it. This is the time to speak a little more every day. Talk about your day. Talk about yesterday. Talk about your plans. Use English for your real life. When English becomes part of your routine, progress becomes natural. Month 2 is also about thinking in English. Many learners translate in their head. This slows everything down. Instead of translating, use simple English thoughts. For example, instead of thinking in your first language, think, I'm hungry. I need to work. It's late. This feels strange at first, but after a few weeks, it becomes easier. Month 3 is about confidence and consistency. By the third month, you already know more than you think. You understand basic conversations. You can express simple ideas. You can talk about daily topics. Now your goal is to speak without fear. Mistakes will still happen. That's normal. Fluent speakers also make mistakes. The difference is confidence. In month 3, repetition is very important. Use the same sentences again and again. Repeat common expressions. Reuse vocabulary. Speaking English is not about using new words every time. It's about using common words comfortably. Simple English is powerful English. Let's talk about time. To speak English in 3 months, you don't need many hours. You need daily exposure. Even 20 to 30 minutes every day is enough if you are consistent. Daily listening, daily speaking, daily thinking. Consistency beats intensity. Another important part is the environment. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone language. Watch English videos. Listen to English podcasts. The more English you hear, the faster you improve. English should become familiar, not scary. Mindset is everything. If you believe 3 months is too short, you will give up early. If you believe improvement is possible, you will stay consistent. You don't need to be fluent, you need to be braver than yesterday. Progress is not loud, it is quiet and steady. Many learners stop because they compare themselves to others. Don't do that. Everyone learns at a different speed. Your journey is personal. Focus on daily progress, not perfection. Speaking English in 3 months means you understand more. You speak more. You feel less afraid. That is real success. Fluency comes later. English is not something you master once. It is something you build over time. 3 months is only the beginning. But it is a powerful beginning. If you use English every day, your confidence will grow. If your confidence grows, your speaking improves. And when speaking improves, motivation stays strong. This is how progress continues. You don't need special talent. You don't need perfect grammar. You need daily English, patience, and belief. Speaking English in 3 months is possible, not by rushing, but by showing up every day. Use simple English, listen daily, speak daily, think in English. This is Emma. Thank you for listening to Daily English.